So let's say this is a camera, which it is. We're doing handheld videos. So you open up the camera, turn it on, everything, set it up. You're holding the camera like this and you're recording. You know, you're recording and the camera is shaking, but you don't realize that you're trying to keep it stabilized as much as you can. First tip is to have more points of contact. More hands holding the camera, less it's gonna shake. So let's say you bring one hand on the side, one hand under the lens, and third you can use is you can just bring it closer to your eye. I don't think a lot of people realize this, but you can actually look at the camera through the viewfinder and you can actually record this way as well. And this is what's gonna make extra smooth movements. Let's move on to tip 2. So what you can do is buy a camera cage and attach, you know, extra grips to it. Let me show you. So now if we look at the setup, this is on the side and you're holding it like this, and on this side you're holding it like this, and then you just put your eye on it, and that's 3 points of contact. I didn't attach this top piece because it's for top down, you know, those low shots, but also because it's not set up. I use it on my EOS R, I don't use it on this camera, so it's not set up for this. But this is what I use most of the time. I just put this on the camera and just hold it like this when I'm recording handheld video. This is what I use. Let's move on to tip 3. Tip 3 is basically just using your computer, your editing software, and smooth out the movement. What I recommend is shooting in 60 frames. You can go ahead in your editing software, slow the footage down 40% to match it, make it 24 frames a second. That will slow down the movement and smooth out your handheld movement. That's what I do. And honestly, I had a gimbal and I returned it because I don't really get to use it. It's just too much work setting up the gimbal, so I don't really use a gimbal, and this is what I use to get my smooth shots. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned a few tips, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I post editing tutorials and video tutorials like this all the time, so I hope you subscribe and don't miss out anything. Thank you for watching.